Today we're going to talk about SOBA sentences. And SOBA sentences are sentences that you can use to spice up your writing. So here's an example. Every day was a happy day and every night was peaceful. And that's from one of my favorite books called Charlotte's Web, and it's the first page. And SOBA sentences are sentences that use the word so, or, but, and. You can see that this sentence uses the word and right here in the middle. And it combines two sentences together. So originally we have one sentence, which is every day was a happy day. And then our second sentence, every night was peaceful, and they're combined with the word and. And before the and, you see we have a little comma. And this is an easy way that you can improve your writing and make your sentences a little bit more interesting. So let's take a look at overall what it looks like. So what you have is you have a sentence, and I'm going to go ahead and put a box around that. Your sentence starts with your capital, and then you put in a comma, and then you have a SOBA, which is so, or, but, and then you have another sentence, and you end with a period. Let's take a look at another example here. And this is from the book The House of the Scorpion. And I think this is a fun sentence. Celia says you're in shock, but I think you're just lazy. This uses a different SOBA. It's going to use the word but to combine the sentence here. And it's similar. So we have a first sentence. Celia says you're in shock. And then we have the comma right there. We have our SOBA, so the word but. And then we have another sentence. I think you're just lazy. And we end with the period. You can do the same thing. We're going to imitate this sentence. So I'm going to think about something that I like to do, but that I'm just learning how to do. And so something I really like to do is play basketball, but I'm just learning how to do it. So I'm going to write that. I like to play basketball. And that right there, I'm not sure if that's how you spell it, so I'm going to circle and just keep on writing. That's a sentence. I like to play basketball. But I'm going to combine another sentence. So I'm going to put in my comma and say but. And I'm going to come up with another sentence. I'm just learning how to play. I'm just learning how to play. At the end of my sentence, I need a period. And so here we have two sentences combined. I like to play basketball, and I'm just learning how to play are both sentences. They combine with the SOBA but, the comma, and the period at the end. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and try to put some SOBA sentences into your writing. One thing I want you to notice is that when you have the SOBA, you just want one SOBA. It goes in the middle of your sentence and not at the beginning. So just combine with one SOBA and in the middle of your sentence. Have fun with SOBAs.